Good morning. I have a question. How many of you have heard about the infamous Dishwasher Fund? Raise your hand. Just as I thought. First, let me give you a brief history on how the fund got started. As a side note, I'm sure there are tears of joy and perhaps some happy dances up in heaven from the women that have gone before us, that this day is finally here. Your sermon tied in great. What became known as the Dishwasher Fund started at a monthly meeting of Presbyterian women more than 20 years ago, with several personal checks at the first whisperings of a new kitchen. Over the years, we saved Rimke's receipts and dropped them off in the wire chicken, which was kept in the church kitchen. Lee Harper managed this task, encouraging the quintessential belief that every little bit counts. Turns out that was true. The bulk of this donation, though, is the effort of rolling over yearly contributions and designating them for this purpose. We recognize the generosity of every woman who, through pledging and donating, trusted our stewardship of these funds. Now the kitchen is a reality, and we have enough to cover a considerable part of the dishwasher. A dishwasher surely means something different to each generation of women who participated in this effort. But naming this contribution, even years ago, was everyone's way of keeping our eye on a hospitality ministry that we hope will always be important to this congregation. On behalf of the Presbyterian women, we present this check for $8,000 towards the new kitchen and specifically towards the new dishwasher.